So time up. Okay. So how? It's fine. This is a starting point. Try and practice more. It is there in here. So last thing, you have to tell your reflections, what you have learned from this workshop. Just you can tell one or two of you the important learning from the workshop. Yeah.
There's still lots to do.
Yeah.
Much more about our capabilities and how we are executing our ideas, whether it will be beneficial for us or not. The software game taught us many things about it. Basically, if we are doing anything wrong and if we are entering in loss, it will help us to overcome from that loss.
So basically the whole management of business. How does how every function, how every department performs in a company. Each and every department.
What about you? What did you learn?
Yeah, as a novice entrepreneur, when I want to start a business in future, I would be looking at these things and it would be reminding me that you have to do a lot of stuff before starting a venture. So this always helps you because
Before starting a venture. While the
while also, but before starting you always have a focus that yes, I have to do these many things. So it is a very good thing actually.
Good.
Very good.
Enjoy it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I see, the happiness quotient of everybody very high. So everybody is very happy during the business.
Wonderful.
Whether they made profits or not. Who made profit? Which two made profit?
It's just the start.
Okay.
That's fine.
So
Because
you need to practice more.
initially you will have losses, and then you do more practice. You gain hold on the business. You will make profit.
Applaud yourself for your hard work. Their loss is minimum 72 rupees loss. That's acceptable.
And
Time on hold 8 and 6.
Okay, and the efficiency level?
76.
Or
Wow,
bank
very
balance?
good.
Bank balance?
80419.
Wow, quite good. Excellent
And
performance.
when you practice next time, then you will become better actually. Your profitability will improve. And thanks a lot for your patience, for your participation.
This software is installed in all of these PCs. You can come and you can practice it here. Whenever you have some free time, this will enable you to access it. The more you explore it, the better you will get.
And I will also share my details. If you have any queries, any questions, you can always ask me directly. So I'll just show that page to you.
So please call up and tell us how much better have you got. Okay? So the only thing which I don't want to see reduced is the happiness quotient.
So this is my number and email ID. You can always be connected with us because we can also give you a lot of resources in terms of recent happenings, in terms of innovative learning tools. So be connected and let us learn together. Okay? Explore, enjoy and learn. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
We enjoyed doing this with you guys.
For your time and efforts, we are pleased to have you here.
Pleasure. Pleasure's all ours.